It's time to select the appliances for our home. It's an exciting stage for me as everything starts to come together. I've come to the beautiful showroom of Signature Appliances here in Willoughby. And why? Because all of the best brands are all in one location. I came in here with an idea of what I wanted. I'm familiar with the brands, but Alexis is so knowledgeable. When it comes to selecting a cooktop, I find that my clients either love gas or love induction. Both of them have benefits. But for people who like to have both options, well, there's a solution as well. And there's great looking designs like this one. This is perfect for people who want the best of both worlds. People who are using a wok or maybe making a large curry or a soup. It's also a damn good looking cooktop. The world of ovens has definitely changed a lot over the last 20 or so years that I've been designing kitchens. Multi-function ovens give you options of different cooking styles, and as far as placement, where I can, I will always try to have a wall oven. For me, it just makes sense when I'm lifting a heavy roast or something out of the oven to have it at waist height. But not every kitchen design allows me to use that space. Maybe I need more bench space, and that's when the oven going underneath, of course, makes sense. And as far as how many ovens, well, there are wider ovens these days, 900 wide. I think that's great for a large family. But more often than not, I like including two 600 wide ovens. It might sound like a lot, but it allows you cooking flexibility, especially when entertaining. Cooking in one something that's slower, cooking something else that's faster in the other, and I like that benefit. This beautiful Smeg dishwasher comes in black, and I'm going with black appliances because I don't want the silver or stainless steel look, because I've gone for a brass feature in the handles, the sink and the tap. It's a freestanding model, but there are other options that I'm considering because the dishwasher in my design is viewed from the dining and the lounge room. A semi-integrated means I've got the panel here with all the push buttons, and that front large panel there will be in joinery, matching the rest of the kitchen colour. The other option is a fully integrated, which means I don't see any buttons or controls. You open it up and they're pushed from the top, and that way it will blend in completely with the rest of my kitchen joinery. I'm still deciding which one to go with, but at least I've got options within the brand. There are many fridge options that I use with clients, standalone, upside down, side by side, but I'm in love with French door. I think they're so functional. Amazing storage, and the beautiful pull-out freezer underneath. I've also got the benefits of the ice maker, which is plumbed at the back, so I'll put a water point, and I've got chilled water. I love Fisher & Paykel because I know that they're a great brand, great quality, and a great price point too for what you get. And the dark finish, well, I think that's going to work with the moody look that I'm looking for in the kitchen. I can't have stainless steel because I've got brass detailing in the handles and the tap and the sink, so I think this is perfect. When it comes to washing your clothes, if space is tight for you, stacking a dryer and washing machine together in one unit takes less space in your floor area, so I think that that's very clever. Where I can, I like to put the washing machine and dryer next to each other and have that valuable bench space above, perfect for folding and sorting out all of your clothes. It's funny that we call them white goods because of course they always used to be white, but now there are so many color options. This is a pretty damn good looking washing machine. That's also important for our design because it's actually out on show. We'll be walking past it. It's a great brand, also with great energy efficiency, because that's something we need to be thinking of now in all of our homes for everything we use every day. I think this looks pretty nice. It's a beautiful looking showroom, but there is so much on show here. Such a great range, great customer service and knowledge. It's exciting because I did come here with a vision, but now I'm much clearer with what I'm wanting to put together for our home. What a beautiful showroom to spend time in. Now I've got to go and start ticking off some more boxes.